Hello everybody and welcome back to Weekly News.
I'm Stacy McGuire.
And I'm Jane Doe, and today we will be talking about Tidal Energy.
We currently have two reporters down at the scene in Nova Scotia, Canada, at one of the tidal plants.
We'll be talking to them briefly. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Jane and Stacy.
Hello, my name is Claire Doris.
And I'm Maddie Zalewski.
And we are your tidal experts.
Today we're standing at the Bay of Fundy.
This is the third largest tidal plant in the world.
Today we're going to be taking you on a little travel through the underwater to see everything that this plant has to offer.
Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, Maddie, are you ready to hop in?
I sure am, Claire.
Let's do it.
Look! The plant's over there! Let's take her over!
So here we are, right by a real turbine generator in the water.
How cool is that?
As you can see, it's kind of in its own closed area surrounded by other turbines. It's enclosed by kind of like a fence.
As the tide rises, the gates will open up and allow for water to come through. And then at the peak of high tide, the gates close and the water pools. The engineers are then able to control the water and push it through the turbines and create energy.
How awesome is that?
It's so cool.
Well, I don't know about you, Maddie, but I'm getting really cold. Should we talk about this on land?
I think so.
Wow, it sure was cold down there.
It sure was.
As mentioned before, the Bay of Fundy has the third largest tidal plant in all of the world.
It produces 50 kilowatt hours annually.
This can power over 4,500 homes. This is one of the reasons why Maddie and I are tidal energy fiends.
Another reason is that it's a renewable energy source.
As well, it has no known negative impact on the environment.
And because it is our future.
But with every pro, there is a con.
For example, there's only limited areas in which we can build it.
There is an ecological impact as it can affect marine life.
And it can be extremely costly.
The world is dying. And one of the only ways to save this is with renewable energy.
We need to stop the fossil fuels, and we need to swim into our future.
So please, help us. Back to you, Jane and Stacy. Wow, who knew that we had one of the third largest tidal energy plants in the world?
I sure didn't, but I'm so glad we were able to connect with Claire and Maddie to view the underworld we didn't know we had.
We hope you had just as much fun as we did, and we'll see you next week on
Weekly News.